For successful DIY installation of the F9 Pro dash screen, gather these essential tools. Trim removal tools for safely prying plastic panels, screwdrivers for mounting, wire cutters and strippers for electrical connections, and electrical tape for securing wires. Begin the installation process by disconnecting the vehicle's power. Turn off the ignition and remove the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts or damage. Next, carefully remove the factory dashboard trim using plastic trim removal tools. Insert the tools into panel gaps and gently pry to release clips. Work slowly to avoid cracking plastic or scratching surfaces. Connect the F9 Pro wiring harness to your vehicle's electrical system. Carefully match each connector to the corresponding factory wiring, power, ground, and signal wires. Use electrical tape to secure connections and prevent loose wires. Securely mount the F9 Pro screen in the dashboard opening using the provided brackets and screws. Ensure the screen is level and fits snugly without gaps. Reattach the dashboard trim panels, ensuring all clips snap back into place. Reconnect the battery and test basic functions before final assembly. If you're not confident in your electrical or mechanical skills, consider having the installation done by a professional. This ensures proper connections and maintains your vehicle's warranty. After installation, perform the initial setup by pairing your smartphone with the F9 Pro for wireless CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity. If wireless connection issues occur, check Bluetooth settings on your phone and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled for optimal performance. Restart both devices if needed. Regularly check for software updates or firmware upgrades through the F9 Pro settings menu. This ensures you have the latest features and performance improvements.